So to review, all of the domain is the numbers, right? Or the inputs that go into, right? Input, in, I know. All of the numbers or outputs that come out, right? Output, output, out of a function. Alrighty? So the first part was graphing. Now we are going to use domain and range to see if these mappings are. So first, let's figure out what the world this means. This left one is always our domain. It's being mapped, that's what those lines mean, to the range. Okay? So if you notice, -2 points to 4. So our first point we're going to put is -2, +4. -1 is our x, maps to +4. 0 is our x, maps to +6. 1 is our x, maps to +8. 2 is our x, maps to 8. Okay? So what I want you to do now is we are going to look at the x values only. We are going to look at the x values only. If you were to plot those, the x values that are the same would be your vertical line test makes that graph not a function. So do any of these numbers repeat? -2 and +2 are not the same thing on a number line. So keep that in mind as you're answering. Are any of them the same? They are not the same. So this is a function. Okay? So this is a function. So let's look at the one on the next page. Again, look at the x values. Are any of the x values the same? No. They are not the same, which means it is a function. Okay? Look here. Does each x value go to one? Does each x value have one arrow off of it? That has one, that has one, that has one, that has one. So this is a function. Let's look at this one. That has one, that has one, this has 2, which means no, it is not a function. What about this one? That has 1, that has 1, that has 1, that has 1. So this is also a function. Okay? Again, it's any time that there is 2 or more, right? You can only have one arrow coming from it. So try the next one on your own.